Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, we haven't heard many Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date rumors yet, but we did see last year's phone announced on August 23rd and shipped to stores in September. The short-lived Samsung Galaxy Note 7 followed a similar schedule 2 years ago, so there's a good chance that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be announced in late August 2018, before hitting stores possibly in mid to late September. The Note 9 appears to have been trademarked by Samsung in mid-March, so it's possible that the release target is being set in stone. There's always someone saying the Note phones will come earlier than ever though. This year, it's The Investor that cites market watchers who believe it could be unveiled in early to mid-August instead. And the same site claims that Samsung has codenamed the phone Crown and plans to have a prototype of it ready during the first quarter of 2018. We've also heard reports that Samsung is testing firmware for the phone, and that it started doing so 2 weeks earlier than for the Note 8, which somewhat suggests an earlier launch is possible, especially as the Galaxy S9 also had its firmware tested earlier than the S8, and went on to launch earlier. Whenever the Note 9 does arrive, it's sure to be expensive. The Galaxy Note 8 retailed for $929/869 $1, $499 at launch, and we can't see Samsung lowering the price for the Note 9, especially now Apple has pushed smartphone prices even higher with its iPhone X. In fact, the S9 and S9 Plus saw a price increase in most countries, so it only makes sense for Samsung to push its top-tier phone higher. Unfortunately, for now, you'll have to be satisfied with the Note 9's predecessor. Check out today's best Galaxy Note 8 deals. The biggest Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rumor relates to its fingerprint scanner, which could be built directly into the screen. It's the long-awaited feature we are still waiting to see in a mainstream smartphone, and not in demo form, or just in China. A recent rumor suggests Samsung is testing multiple in-screen solutions, and will probably use one of them, a move which could also apparently allow room for a larger battery in the Note 9. That tallies with a source who said the Note 9 will have both an in-screen scanner and a big 3850 mAh battery. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.